So guys, let's start some cooking videos. Today we'll be making malai kofta. For this you'll be needing 3 onions, 4 tomatoes, some garlic and some ginger chopped, and you need to boil all of these together and then add some cashew nut and salt and give it a stir. You can cover this and let it simmer for around 10 to 15 minutes until everything has boiled and become soft. Once everything is ready, this is what it'll look like. And now you need to let this cool down and then put it in your mixer grinder and make a puree out of it. You need to also add approximately half a cup of small pieces of coconut and then make the puree. Then you need to strain the puree, and you can also add some water if needed and then throw away the residue. Then heat up a karai and add ghee to it, and then also add some red chili powder and dhania powder and garam masala. And then give it a good stir and quickly add the puree that you have just made. Combine them well and let it simmer for 15 minutes. You can cover it with a plate to make the process faster, and this is what your gravy will look like after 15 minutes. Now you can add salt, some sugar and some ketchup. Here I've taken 1 teaspoon of each. You can add it according to your taste. I've also added some methi leaves and homemade fresh cream and mixed and combined them well, and my gravy was ready. Now we need to prepare the kofta. To make the kofta, you will be needing some potato and some grated paneer. You can also use chenna. And to this you will be adding some red chili powder, some garam masala and salt to taste. You also need to add 2 teaspoons of corn flour, or you can also use maida or all-purpose flour. And you can also add some finely chopped chili. Then you need to combine all of these and make a dough, and then make small balls of equal size by rolling the dough between your hands. You can oil your hand first so that the dough doesn't stick to your hand. Once done, you need to coat each of the ball with maida or cornstarch and then fry it. You need to keep frying it until it turns golden brown. And when serving the dish, you can add the gravy on top and garnish it with some fresh cream.